Make a great choice today with the 2018 3 Series. Proof that all good things come in threes. The BMW 3 Series has a well-deserved reputation for packing outstanding driving dynamics and excellent quality. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, daytime running lights, 4-wheel disc brakes, integrated turn signal mirrors, rear-wheel drive, tires, front performance, LED headlights. Come take a test drive today.